So I really like this sign, and it's that blue with burlap floral pattern. Really love this one, y'all. So we're gonna make a wreath. I did put some mounts on it already. That's at Deco Exchange. These are one of their signs that they print in-house and press in-house. Let's do our first part, our inner ring first. So I'm gonna do the Jordan method. The Jordan method is just using 21-inch mesh. So we're going to start on our inner ring first, and I'm going to do 10-inch poofs just on my inner ring. How are you, friend? So I'm going to cut this. I need a new rotary cutter because I don't think I broke this one, so it's kind of rigged at this point. But I want to cut 5 of the cream and 5 of the royal blue mesh at 30 inches. So these are going to be our ruffles for the outer ring. Yeah, it actually wouldn't surprise me if I broke it, because I did use that to I cut a lot of felt with that, and I have not changed the blade out. So the YouTube account will it'll be Deco Exchange. So yeah, that's what we have so far. Look how pretty that blue is. That blue and that cream looks really good together, y'all. So next, I'm gonna cut some more ruffles, and these are gonna be 18 inches, and these are for the inner ring. I'm pretty sure in every tutorial that Damon has ever done on this page, there's a bow. So for the inner ring, I cut my ruffles at 18 inches, and then on the outer ring, I do 30 inches. Y'all, look at that base. Look how pretty that is. And we're going to get our ribbon tail boards, and we're going to cut all of our ribbon. So I need 9 of each color. So I'm cutting these at 13 inches. 13 inches is my normal go-to length for ribbon tails. Okay, so now we're just going to start adding in our ribbons. So just alternating my colors. So for the ribbon tails, I did the cabana stripe, tan and white cabana stripe, royal blue, navy blue, and then light gray. It matches all the colors that are on my sign. So y'all, this is our base. Look how pretty that looks. So now I want to add in our sign, and that's going to tell me where I want to put my bow at. So that's where we put our sign. And we're going to put our bow right in this area. And our 60919 is going to come up to the top and to the bottom. Okay, so we're going to make our bow. We're using this 7/8" ribbon first. Janelle, if you're still here, I'm telling you, this is really good ribbon. So I've always been a person that makes the bows in their hand. If y'all want a fiasco of easy bow maker, join the creative coaching group and watch the video from like 2 weeks ago. I mean, it wasn't a fiasco. I survived, but it's not my method. Not my. I think what I need is the next time I'm at the warehouse, like a one-on-one with the master himself. Okay, so that's what we have so far as our bow. Love that touch of black and white. Get me a pipe cleaner. Okay, so I'm going to run that pipe cleaner through my mesh. So, always want to make sure that you fluff out your 60919. Okay, so I'm going to bend this just a little bit because we're going to come up right under that bow. Okay, so I'm going to bend this as well. Just not like a super like tight bend. I'm just kind of carving this up because this is sitting right under the bow. And I'm going to show you all that in a minute. That's where I'm placing that. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to tie that in. Now normally you could glue this if you wanted to. I like just tying it in with my tinsel ties. So I love the way this came out, and I love that 60919. Hopefully, like I said, if y'all snag some, good for y'all. 60919 is amazing. Just saying, it's amazing.